Alright, DIYers, here we are on the computer and we are at WalletConnect.com. And to clear up any confusion on what WalletConnect is, we went right to the website and we're going to give you a quick tutorial. So let's get right to it. Again, up here you see WalletConnect.com. Here is the WalletConnect logo. You've got Docs and Registry. All the way to the right you have Login or Sign Up. And it's important to know this is not just one wallet. This is any wallet, any dApp, any chain. In other words, any wallet, any decentralized application, and any blockchain. WalletConnect is the Web3 standard to connect blockchain wallets to dApps. And scrolling down, the blockchain SDK built for developers. The WalletConnect Web, Android, and iOS SDKs power millions of Web3 connections every day. And there are 4 important coded features. Number 1, the protocol. WalletConnect, again, is not an app. It's very important to know that. This is not one single wallet for cryptocurrency. And you can see that right here. WalletConnect is not an app, but an open protocol to communicate securely between wallets and dApps on the Web3 app. In addition, secure encryption. The protocol establishes a remote connection between 2 apps and or devices, and the keys are shared between the 2 peers. To the right, you see QR codes and deep links. This is where the connection is initiated by one peer displaying the QR code or deep link with a standard WalletConnect URL, and then established when the counterparty approves the connection request. And the 4th one, push server, also included as an optional push server to allow native applications to notify the user of incoming payloads for established connections. Down below that, here's an icon basically of code, simple integration, and again right here, this is where it gets really cool. As we mentioned a few times already, any wallet, this is not one given wallet. WalletConnect is built into more than 100 leading wallets. Easily integrate WalletConnect into your wallet with your JavaScript, Swift, or Kotlin SDKs. And below that, you can actually click on See All Wallets, and that's going to take you to more wallets than you ever thought could be available, which again is pretty darn cool. We will select See All Wallets, and as you can see, again, a lot. Here's Crypto.com DeFi wallet, Onto, Stake Wallet, and many more. WalletConnect is pretty awesome. One of 12 pages, so we have a lot of wallets available to us, as you can see here. So scroll through all these, check to see if your wallet is part of WalletConnect, and if it is, you're smooth sailing from there because a massive amount, if not all, exchanges use WalletConnect. Again, just by clicking on See All Wallets, you can see everything. Down below that, you can see any dApp, again, any decentralized application, which include Etherscan, Uniswap, Binance, and many more. DBank, and just like above with the wallets, you can click on this and see all decentralized applications available on WalletConnect. Down below that, any chain. And in the event that the chain that you are using is not currently available, well, check this out, more chains coming soon. So there's a good possibility that that blockchain you're using and very familiar with and a fan of may be joining WalletConnect right around the corner. Down below that, you see some top features. I recommend reading through all of those and start building. So with all that said, now that we have a better understanding what WalletConnect is, let's go ahead and open up our new website, toolboxtoken.com. And check this out, this is us. We just launched our Toolbox aka DIY token, and right now we're in the pre-sale. And scrolling above right now is a video link to a full website walkthrough tutorial that will explain everything about this website. We definitely recommend checking it out after this video. And while you're there, we definitely check out watching the video. We had fun putting that together. This is introducing to us and the token. However, let's continue scrolling down. Here's our story, our quick start guide, and our pre-sale information, as well as our roadmap broken down into 4 phases, basically our future mission. However, the main reason why we are here, we want to show you the Connect Wallet feature. In the cool built-in code feature here on our website, you can actually pick either ETH or DIY. For example, in the event that you select DIY and you want a hard number tokens to purchase, say for example 50,000, you can then connect your wallet and go through the verification process to ensure that you have sufficient amount of ETH to pay for 50,000 DIY tokens, and then approve the transaction. Or say for example, I want to zero that out, I want to tailor it to ETH. I want to purchase 1.0 ETH. And again, you'll connect your wallet, go through the transaction process to ensure you have sufficient funds, and complete the transaction. However, we're going to zero that out. I'm going to select Connect Wallet. And MetaMask is on top as an option because, again, that is basically the most popular used Ethereum wallet. However, that's just one wallet. Directly below that, you will see WalletConnect. Sorry about the number 1 and number 2. That's overlay from our phases. And what you can do, if you don't have MetaMask, go ahead and click on WalletConnect. From here, you can see that it is selected desktop, and to the left of that is the QR code. What you can do at this point is open the camera on your phone and position the phone in a way where you're going to take a picture of the QR code, and the link will appear on the top portion of your phone. Go ahead and click on that, and it will open up the entire WalletConnect app as well as all the available wallets to connect to our website. And as you can see here, because we're on the laptop or desktop version, it's not really showing many. However, doing a quick search for the wallet that you're looking for would be the next step. However, chances are the browser that I'm using currently is not 100% compatible with the WalletConnect website and app. So what what I recommend is grabbing your phone and gaining access to the QR code, where it will then open up on your phone and you will see about 10 to 12 pages of available wallets. Again, including some of the top most popular used wallets in the cryptocurrency industry. So again, if you're on your laptop or desktop and you're having trouble finding the wallet that you're looking for, even by just doing the search, for example, if you search one and it doesn't show up, that doesn't mean it doesn't have it. Go to the QR code, access it on your phone. Again, all available wallets will become available. I'll go ahead and close this out. And again, that is WalletConnect. I'll X that out. And if you're here and you have not heard about or come across or learned about our roadmap and token, we definitely encourage you to take a look at our site and even watch that video that was scrolling above earlier, which again was that full website walkthrough tutorial. It'll explain everything. And down below, subscribe now will take you to our YouTube channel. In addition, we've got Instagram, Twitter, and again, YouTube. And all the way up to the top, that is it. We hope the video helped. Hey, do us a favor. Below the video, you will see that thumbs up icon. Click on that, like the video, subscribe to the channel. Definitely ring your YouTube bell. That would be very helpful to us. We'd really appreciate it. Thanks again for watching.